Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Notes Info podcast. Dear friends, in this podcast we are going to discuss about class 11th chemistry syllabus for year 2023 and 2024. Dear friends, chemistry syllabus is divided into two parts. First part is theory and second part is practical exam. So friends, theory is of 70 marks and practical is of 30 marks. So first unit in theory is on some basic concepts of chemistry which have marks about 7, and second unit is on structure of atom which is of about 9 marks, and third unit is on classification of elements and periodicity in properties of 6 marks. Fourth unit is on chemical bonding and molecular structures of about 7 marks, and fifth unit is on chemical thermodynamics having 9 marks importance, and sixth unit is on equilibrium having 7 marks. Seventh unit on redox reactions having 4 marks. 8th unit on organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques of about 11 marks. This unit have the highest marks allotted, and the 9th unit on hydrocarbons having 10 marks. Dear friends, practical part contains evaluation of volumetric analysis having 8 marks, salt analysis having 8 marks, content based experiments having 6 marks, project work that you prepared of 4 marks, and class record and viva of 4 marks. So in this way the theory have 70 marks allotted and practicals have 30 marks allotted. Dear friends, you can get notes of these units from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. You can also download the syllabus of class 11th chemistry from our website where the link given to download this syllabus. Dear friends, you can visit our website with the link provided in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com.